Can you see me well?
Yeah, and everyone else can probably see you well as well because we are live. Welcome back to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to the show. We are here again with Derek Jones, special guest, talking about Bitcoin, talking about crypto, answering your questions, answering your messages because this show is about you. This show is an interactive, miraculous, beautiful synergy of minded people, except the Safe Moon Army, that we come together every week at 7 o'clock EST time. We're going to be giving away some money. Well, Derek is going to be giving away some money. Derek, how are you, man?
Great, yourself, Paul. Glad to be here again, man. Thanks for having me on. That was a great intro.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. So, you have to keep smiling. All these crashes, when we go down with all these crashes, people got devastated. People got wrecked. But we called it. Did they listen? No. They did not listen, but we called it, and we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be answering questions. We're going to tell people everything's going to be okay, even though they're not. No, I'm just kidding. Everything's going to be okay, and we will be giving out 1,000 units. Did I make a mistake? On the title, it says I'm giving away $500 in units. We're actually going to give away a little bit more.
Right.
Because Derek is feeling generous today. I could tell by the look on his face. So we're going to give 1,000 units. What's that worth? $850 right now or something around that?
Yeah, around 830, 840, about there.
830, 840. So yeah, it's going to be real cool. And I see Gibran Khan saying good morning from Houston. When the Bitcoin price was going down, all I could think of, Houston, we have a problem. We see David Ibrahimi. We see Bite with questions straight away. Being nervous, we're going to be talking about it. And we see David again. We're waiting for more people to join. How are you? How are you this beautiful Sunday? Tell me in the chat where you're messaging from. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about the crash. We're going to be giving away free money in the form of units. We're going to be talking about certain news, what's going on, certain events that may or may not have affected the price. We'll talk about these. Derek is the man. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. And yeah, I see people coming in. I see Jai King. I see Halal Saving. I was kind of worried a second. There was no one in here. Now there's people. Harry ML. I see people just diving in the chat. So yes, we are live, baby. Subscribe down below and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the next show. And like this video because we are beautiful, smart, intelligent, charming people. And that's what you do. You click the like button when you do that. Now, you know what I need, Derek? I'm going to show you a hack. Do you know what a hack is?
A hack?
A hack. This is a doorstop. And this is going to be replaced with this doorstop because it's higher. And I'm going to put it under my keyboard because I was really pissed off at my girlfriend about a year ago and I broke my keyboard. And the two little things on the back just went psh, and they couldn't fix them. So now my keyboard's flat, and I hate writing like this. I need it like this. So it's called a doorstop hack. I invented it when I had no choice because it was a pretty expensive keyboard. All right, man. So what is going on? What is happening with the price? What the just happened, man?
WTF, man. Yeah. I mean, we kind of said this was going to happen first quarter of every year. You're going to see some downtrend in Bitcoin and a lot of cryptocurrency prices. One thing that I was actually looking at, I was looking at the historical price of Bitcoin, and we're about the same price we were 2021, January of 2021. So we've retraced all of the gains of 2021, but this also means we might be seeing the exact same thing happen again, going right back up to 60,000 by third quarter. So it all depends. I also looked at Ethereum just to get a little bit of a comparison, and Ethereum is still $1,000 up from last year's price.
So Ethereum clearly outperformed Bitcoin this year.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, last year anyway. So we were talking about on this channel, we call that if we break 46, 45K, we're probably going to go down to the 40, 41K. And if we break the 40K psychological, which we will probably will, we're going to go down all the way to 30, 35K. We were saying this. I've been saying this for a month or so. And I even made posts and videos about it. People really hated them. I even made a post telling people get out of all leveraged positions like 3 or 4 days ago. Get out of all leveraged positions now. We're gonna go down. Take profits. Don't panic. But and people are just like, oh, you know, people never listen, man. and I understand it's a lot harder for people that love crypto. They get into crypto. That have been in crypto for a while, that made gains. It's a lot harder for people to sell their crypto than to buy their crypto. Let me say that again. It's a lot harder for people to sell crypto than to buy crypto because it's just been going up or it's been going down. And you either want to break even or you're in denial. You want it to keep going up, right? I'm going to just hold it. Buy the dip. And I've made videos telling people this, that one day you're going to buy the dip and this was last year, by the way. Funny enough, you can check my video. It was a little bit after last year. I think it was the first highs, and a little bit before that, I was telling people to take profits again. First highs, I called the first highs, didn't call the second highs until a little bit later at under 50. But I was telling people one day, soon, the price is going to go down. You're going to buy the dip, and it's going to go down even more. And everyone's going to be like, buy the dip, discount. It's going down even more. Discount, Black Friday is going to go down even more. And people start saying stupid things. If you don't sell, you don't lose. Yeah, tell that to the people crying right now. You do lose. And it's a shame because you could have sold, bought back lower, have more bags, right? Or the other thing I hear a lot of times, Derek, what is it? People don't want to buy it 60,000. No, people want to buy it 60,000, but they're not buying it for it. It's because it's going down to 30, motherfucker. You're seeing the momentum. You're seeing it was going down, and you were seeing good news, and it wasn't going up. That's a sign of a bear market. I'm not saying I'm in a bear market, but I'm just saying you gotta be careful, right?
I mean, there's another part to this too, you know. What's happening where there's a lot of policy changes that are happening right now.
Well, let's talk about that. I saw this on the chart. I don't look at news. I very rarely look at news. I'm a charts guy. I'm like, show me the charts. I'll tell you the news, because I know there's news for the masses and news for the classes. Now, you being more into politics and having experience in this, you can read the news and see past it, and maybe you have some outside information. So you can tell what's going on a lot easier than me. I only have charts. So what do you think is going on? What do you think news-wise? Well, I already talked about the charts. I made a video about the charts. Let's talk about news. What happened, man?
Well, right now you see where the White House is about to start making policy, right, about cryptocurrency. This is a big thing. This is huge, right? The second that we get into a state where people understand exactly how they can move about with cryptocurrency from even a financial institution standpoint, hedge funds, everyone understanding what the possibilities are. You have a lot of people that have taken their money out and they're going to stand on the sideline. They're going to wait because the announcement to actually see, this is something I want everyone to know this. This is very exciting. This is interesting, right? You will see that there are politicians and you will see that there are many people who are able to make decisions upon where they're going to move their money based on laws, right?
Right.
And insider trading is not illegal for politicians, right? Because they're making the laws. They have no choice but to know more information than anybody else. So what you're seeing right now is you're seeing people who actually own cryptocurrencies are about to start making laws about cryptocurrencies. Think about that. Think about what's about to happen here, okay? We're about to have an environment where almost anyone can buy cryptocurrency. Community banks are about to have the ability to sell cryptocurrency to their members. National banks are going to have the ability to sell cryptocurrency to their members, okay? So you're going to see an influx of money, but you're also going to see an influx of influence, right? So we have to understand that that's also coming when you're seeing these big players and things like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I think we're starting to see that now. I once saw an article, and I think it was, I want to say it was in the third quarter of last year, where Bank of America or someone was saying to move the price of Bitcoin a few percentage points, it only takes a couple $1,000,000. And so if they know this, are they doing like what's happening here, right? So you have to understand once there's more institutional influence and more money in here, and then you have people, these are bigger whales now in the system, right? They move crypto large amounts, buy or sell, it's going to fluctuate the price. It's going to move things more than they would have with just regular people trading. And so we have that coming. It's coming right now, right? It's only a matter of time. And I think what we see right now is that happen, right? People capturing their profits, and the people capturing their profits are huge institutions.
Wouldn't price go up if
Not necessarily. See, it's an interesting dynamic, right? Because you would think that they would be buying at the prices that we're seeing in the market, right? But just like with stocks, there are different prices for different people. There are different prices and different pools for different people. And if you're purchasing large amounts, you may be getting a discount. If you're purchasing large amounts at a discount and then you put that in the market and sell it immediately, what's going to happen? The price is going to come down to the price of your discount.
Okay, but what's going on is they're selling on the spot market Bitcoin, for example, to buy with a discount from Grayscale, which is 26% down or some shit like that, because they think they can arbitrage. But when they do that, it goes down even more, and now they can't buy back their spot. It doesn't make sense. If that's the smart money, then that's not very smart, because they're trying to, it's like stupid smart.
But they can make money on the price going both ways, Paul.
True, so you're saying they might be shorting as well.
Right. They can go either way here. When you're a large institution now, and because there's institutional play here now, we have things like ETFs, we have different forms of investing in Bitcoin now. You can make money off of the price going down. So you're literally talking about institutions who just may have made a large amount of money off of Bitcoin dropping to 30,000.
Do you think an ETF is coming out this year?
I'm not sure. It really,
Satoshi's calling you,
I
asking.
I think that what's going to happen is we're going to have something very interesting in regards to regulations and laws and policies come in at the end of this first quarter. And I think that's going to really determine what happens with the market for the rest of the year.
Right. So let's go ahead. We got a super chat by David Ibrahimi. He says, "Thanks, Paul, for all your help. You are my mentor. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you, and you are mine because of you. I do these shows. I learn as well. You inspire me. So we are each other's mentor, and I really appreciate that." And I think G Rock earlier on. Yeah, I saw G Rock. He says, "Hello, crypto fam. Hey, Paul. I think Derek should be on the Crypto Factor every Sunday." And I'm gonna add to that, giving away free money. So we're gonna go in and answer some questions from the chat. We have so many chats, so we're not gonna get through all of these today. We're going to try and get most of them. All your wishes and your cool messages, I read them, but I'm not going to read them out all the time just so we can get through more of the chat, because we will be giving away 1,000 units. It's about $830 today. We're going to do that riddle. Get your riddle, get your pens, get everything ready, because Derek's going to give you some riddles. Whoever answers, you will get money at that moment. He will send it to your phone. It's insane. It's beautiful. It's amazing. And we're gonna be talking to the chat. So if you want to make sure your question gets answered, please send it to a super chat. I'm not doing this for money. Just do it so I can make sure it could be the least amount of money. I think it's like a dollar or maybe less. Like I don't know how much it is. Just so I can be able to see your super chat. And I think it signals the algorithm that this is a good show. I'm not sure. Well, we'll see. Let's answer some questions, man. So, Byte says, "Hi Paul, I'm kind of nervous. Assuming Bitcoin hits 15K." Whoa, you went straight for the 15K there, right?
Ouch.
Wow, like who have you been listening to, man? Who have you been listening to? Holy crap, let's hit 30K first. What do you think is the best strategy for long-term hodlers? Just hodl or any recommendations? First of all, okay, look. For it to hit 15K, it would mean it would have to drop under previous all-time highs of 20K. I do not see Bitcoin going much lower than 20K, right? 24K, even in the worst case scenario of a full prolonged bear market. Now we might dip down to 17K and go straight away up again, but I don't see us going under 20K. Is it possible? Yes. Is it probable? I don't think so. But even to get to that point, we still have to break 30K. We're holding 35K right now. We're probably going to break it. We might not. I don't know. I got buy orders around the 30K mark all the way up to the 33K. We have to break 30K first, and we'll see how fast it shoots back up, and we'll figure out if it closes below that, then yes, we were in a bear market. But that would mean we've already been in the bear market for a while. Maybe it's a short-lived bear market where there's a theory where cycles, expanding cycles, shorter bear markets. We have to see it happen first. But 15K, holy crap, dude, you are pessimistic. This is actually a good sign.
Ouch.
But this is a good sign. People getting scared to the point that it will go to 15K means fear. Fear is generally a good sign in the market. It's a buy signal. Now, granted, if it's a bear market, the fear dynamics, fear index doesn't apply. But still, it's fear. I find it good, man. What do you think, Derek? Do you think we're going to go down to 15K in the bear market?
I don't think so.
Zero.
Worst case scenario, I don't think so, because there's always this mindset to me that right now, and I mean, this is just from looking at what's been happening. You have an actual country, El Salvador, who probably has some buy orders at a pretty nice price, right? And I'm pretty sure they're a little bit higher than 15K. You probably also have some large hedge funds, some people who have some strategies who probably have their buy orders probably a little bit higher than 15K.
Yeah.
And so that'll probably be a nice little floor that they're protecting. If you will.
Longs are at 30K.
But same time, as a hodler, from 30K to 15K, if you were to actually sell at 30K and then buy back at 15K, you would double your position, right? So you also got to think about that. You have to commit to your strategy, sometimes. Even when you don't want to. So sometimes I'll even say, if you're a long-term hodler, you're like, I'm going to hodl no matter what, hodl 80%, 20%, actually trade with, but you don't want to necessarily hodl against your best judgment, if you will. But I will tell you, I am a long-term hodler. And so I hodl hardcore.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I always want to make sure that people understand that there's a possibility of always improving positions.
We have some. I don't think Bitcoin will go below. Mashur Ali Wani says, I don't think Bitcoin will go below 25K easily, even if long-term bear market may come, 20K being the final call to sell house and buy Bitcoin. Definitely, dude. There's a stupid moped of a 1950s motorbike outside my house, and can you guys hear that? It's driving me nuts. I hope Bitcoin goes to 20K. Do you think an XRP settlement can spring is back to bullish, if the market allows it, because let's say there's an XRP settlement, or even if they win the case, if we are not in the bear market, that will ignite the next leg up. If that happens and we don't go up, we are definitely in the bear market, because that kind of news that would push the price up, and it would probably take up more cryptocurrencies with it. If you start seeing major news and the price keeps on going down, we're definitely in the bear market. There's no ifs and buts about it. That's my opinion.
Yeah, I feel similar. The one thing that I always pay attention to is the cost to also mine a Bitcoin, right? Because that's really the true cost of a Bitcoin if you think about it. So always keep your mind on that as well. Kind of pay attention to those prices, and that price is kind of going down, right? A lot of people are using renewable energy. And then the other thing that I also want to say is that, like I was saying, by the end of the first quarter, when we get some news from the White House and we get some policy and some regulation, in my opinion, I think that that's going to make the price go up. Yep. You know, that's because I think that it's going to basically have a lot of people executing their buy orders, right? But I'm not sure when that news is going to come out though. But I think it's going to be by the end of the first quarter.
So for the last few months, maybe even 6 months, my subscribers can tell me, the Factor fam here can tell us when I started making these videos. I said that December 2021 or beginning 2022, we're either going to be in we're going to be in a bear market, or we're going to have such sell-offs and go down so much it's going to look like a bear market, and then we're going to have continuation. So there is a chance that all this collides together and is like the perfect match here. Yeah. Any thoughts on Near Protocol says, fear no evil? I have no thoughts on Near Protocol. I have no.
Yeah.
I've heard it's good though. It's been good. It was going up.
Was a great quote. But Near Protocol, I've looked that up a couple of times. Let me see something.
I think it's cool, that along with Loopring. Do you think the current dip is due to potential crypto regulation? I think we just talked about that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just wanted to double check. Yeah, Near Protocol is actually some pretty cool stuff. I really hope that they continue building out. Yeah, the politics and regulations are definitely the reason for the pricing, right? Nobody knows what's going to come out. There's going to be the amount of FUD that's going to come out over the next couple of months is going to be interesting, right? Until they come out with this policy, and that might be on purpose. You know, you never know. They might be holding it just but there's a lot of people in the background that are really trying to make sure that they get their constituency and the people that are behind them really heard in this policy creation and in this regulation. And so there's a lot of money on the table. And because of that, there's going to be a lot of very fine tuning of this regulation and policy. And so I really hope they come out with it by the end of the first quarter, because this can really make a very, very good effect, because taxes I don't know if you guys know this, right? So I'm just going to give this out to you about the United States, right? The first quarter of every year here in the United States, we have taxes, right? And a lot of people get tax refunds. So that money coming to people usually is a stimulation to the economy, right? For the last year or so, that stimulation has been focused digitally, and it's gone to cryptocurrencies, things like that. And so this year, right, taxes have changed. And so people are maybe getting back more money than ever. You then have that coupled with maybe regulation coming in and people being able to buy cryptocurrency through their banks. And that could be a perfect storm for prices to go up. Now, if they hold that regulation to like the second or third quarter, what happens is that everybody gets their money in the first quarter. Okay. So that stimulation is only going to happen in the first quarter through the beginning of the second quarter. Right? If they don't come out with that policy by the middle of the second quarter, these prices might not move at all, and that should be understood as well. And they may be holding that on purpose, but you never know. You never really know.
What about all this inflation and tapering and so on? Because I think that's been scaring people too.
Okay, so Yeah, right now they're looking at raising interest rates. So what does that mean? That means for a lot of people that if they have variable rates on their mortgages, their payments are about to go up, right? That's a good portion of people. And so because of that, that also then pushes towards some people then getting foreclosures, because of COVID and everything that happened there. A lot of people were losing their jobs. And so if that's happening, where you're getting people who are getting foreclosed upon, you're getting a situation where banks are going to be receiving even less money, right? Because they then have to tighten their reins, if you will, to be able to get those houses, and then they have to sell those houses at a discount. The issue that you're going to see, I think, in the way that reaches the cryptocurrency markets is again the same, right? If people's costs for their homes are going to go up, they're going to be spending less money on cryptocurrency. Same time, they're going to be selling their cryptocurrency to be able to pay for their homes. And so this has somewhat of a downward pressure, right, on pricing. And so you might be seeing some of that happening. And then also here in the United States, we had where the moratorium on rent, where people were able to get their rent paid for, that's kind of going away, right? And so people are now having to come up with rent, so they might be selling their assets in order to be able to do that. And so people are going through a lot of things here in the United States. I mean, it's everywhere in the world, but that's just how it's happening here in the United States.
Yeah. So we have 52 people watching right now, only 21 likes. When we get to 50 likes, we're going to give away some money. We're going to give away 500 units, which is 400 something dollars, right? And we'll send it to people in the live stream. So hit up those likes. Let's get it to 50 likes, because we can do it. We can definitely do it, right? And then we can give away the first batch of money. So Carol says, good afternoon from Ontario. I want to buy the dip, not financial advice. Best investments right now, throw in some gaming, as I don't have any in my portfolio. Love your no bullshit show, Paul. Okay, Carol, here's what you're going to do, all right? I just made a video on my channel. It was 2 videos ago. Let me check real quick. Give me a second here. Let me check real quick. I'll tell you exactly what it's called, because I don't want to get into this right now, because I want to be able to focus on other questions as well. Okay, BTC crash, now what, says the thumbnail. And it says, Bitcoin cryptocurrency crash, what to do now. Watch that video that gives you levels and strategy. Now, as for gaming tokens or tokens to buy, but make sure you watch the video before you buy these tokens. Don't buy them at the wrong time. Don't rush. I would say, well, obviously Bitcoin, we don't even have to talk about that, right? Ethereum, Atom, Solana, Decentraland, Sand, maybe Polkadot. Those 5 cryptocurrencies should bounce from the price action I've been seeing faster, or fast enough compared to other cryptocurrencies. You can also get into AVAX and engine, but I'm just talking about those. Watch that video, and watch the video also in the description of that video, and I will give you a full-blown strategy that's current and is what you can do right now.
That's a great list.
Of course. Shaw asks, can Solana reach $500 in this bull run? Assuming we're going to continue in the bull run, yes. It can go to $500. It can go to $1,000. I would be planning around $500 to $700.
Yeah, I know some stuff about Solana.
Yeah, that's not going to go anywhere. That's going to go up. That's going to go up. And even in the bear market, after the bear market, it's going to be one of the first that's going to go up again.
Yeah.
Stephen Wright says, have we hit the bottom, or will it go lower? We will see. If we break 30K, it will definitely go lower. If we close below that, if we do not and we hold this range, then we will probably start going up slowly but surely. Paul's just saying it's going to go up and it's going to go down. Yes, but I'm giving you ranges, and I'm giving you a range to watch. And that's how we are in front of the herd with technical analysis. right? A lot of times, Derek, I make these videos. I'm like, okay, if we break 46K to the bottom side and we close, we will go down to 40s, and we're probably going to break that and go down lower. If we do not and we break 52K, we're going to go up, and we're probably going to retest the all-time high. I made this video, right? Oh, he's saying it's going to go up and down. How stupid can you be to not understand what a range is? I'm giving you a Nostradamus prediction of what's going to...
Nostradamus.
With probabilities, right? It's with probabilities. A Nostradamus prediction. I'm not telling you, and I'm telling you, if we do this, we will do that. What do you want to say? Up or down? Okay, I will answer. Are we going up or down? I promise I will answer you right now. Give me a second. All right? I will show you if we're going to go up or down. Give me a second. I will take out the best tool you can possibly have in crypto. Are we going up or are we going down? Tails, we're going to go down. Heads, we're going to go up, okay?
That's exactly what I was going to say.
It's tails, okay? Do you want that sort of answer? Like, what the fuck? What are people thinking?
Every second. Yeah.
I'm not saying if we're going to break down under 40K, then I'll do the thing and I'll tell you. I'm telling you, like, I don't get it. I really don't get some people. Like they need help. They really need help. Holy crap. Are you bullish or am I bearish? I am long-term I am long-term bullish, short-term agnostic. But I'm leaning bullish. Even if we go down to the 30K, I'm leaning bullish. What about you, Derek? Are you bullish or are you bearish? Are you bullish or are you bearish? I don't know why I did that.
I mean, I'm
this?
Bullish.
Or are you this?
I don't even know what you're going. What's going on?
This is barriers.
Oh, that's a bear, and the other one's a bull. Okay, understood.
And this is a bull. Are you bull? Or are you?
I would say that. See, this is the thing. Even in a bear market, I would say that I'm bullish. You know, the use cases of cryptocurrency already exist, right? So the fact that cryptocurrency is here, it's already being integrated into governments, into central banks are talking about them. You know, they're putting out test currencies on blockchains. Like, what is there not to be bullish about? You know, I mean, it's literally less than 5% of the world's population owns cryptocurrency, and it's already $1 trillion market, basically.
Yeah.
Like, come on, guys. Like, we're already here, man. It's already won. Like, we just need to stick around, and you'll see what happens.
Pretty much. All right, Sharif Demars, do you think whales make Bitcoin dump for markets to buy it on Monday? I think people give Bitcoin whales more credit than what they should be giving them. Not everything is a conspiracy. Not everything is manipulation. And YouTubers are saying, oh, the whales are trying to get your Bitcoin. Dude, they're not trying to get your Bitcoin. They don't give a shit about your Bitcoin. They can buy Bitcoin. And they can sell Bitcoin. This is market psychology. Now, could they influence it a little bit? Sure, yes. But the way it's portrayed in crypto is happening daily. Like there's whales that are sitting like this. Should we fuck with them? I think it's a little bit more difficult than that, because don't forget they can get wrecked as well. A whale can get wrecked or lose a lot, or I don't know. Derek, what do you think, man?
Whales do have the ability to affect the market. Do they do it just to buy back more at later? Maybe.
But sure not as usual as people put it out to
me. But yeah, no, I would say that what you're seeing mostly is them making transactions, right? Like, a lot of people who are whales in Bitcoin actually are making large transactions in Bitcoin and in cryptocurrency, right? And so if they're making a large transaction in cryptocurrency, buying an apartment building, buying a boat, buying land, they have to sell. right? And so when they go and they sell a large amount of cryptocurrency, it puts a signal in the market, and so you'll sometimes see downward pricing. It's just what happens,
But
right?
they do it
But then they
OTC.
also buy it
Wait,
back,
but they do it OTC, and a lot of
right? They
times
do,
OTC
they
doesn't
do.
show up in the markets.
And this is again another part of that, exactly. So they can only make so much real pressure, if you will, on the market,
Yeah.
because just like Paul said, that's a different market for them completely. That's where they're doing discounts, like I was speaking about earlier. And so they can, but they're not really like dancing in the same pools, like they're a little bit of a different swimming pool, when they're doing things. Now, again, when they make a transaction, you see like a hefty amount move, maybe from one exchange to another. Again, like I was saying, that's a transaction.
But you do understand that a lot of whales, they move money to, let's say, an exchange, not to sell it or to a wallet, not to sell it or even cause damage to the market. They do it as proof that they have that and it's theirs, so they can make transactions and make deals with other people. So if I want to send $100 million to Derek, it's like, okay, prove to me you have $100 million. And you're ready. And maybe I want to use it like sort of a proof thing. Now you might say, okay, send me one token from the wallet and show me your wallet address. Maybe I don't want him knowing what my wallet is, right? So an exchange, and no one's talked about this, by the way. No one ever said this before in any crypto channel anywhere. But a lot of times it's proof that have funds for deals they make, and there's a lot more going on than what people know about, right? So keep that in mind. I'm not saying it happens regularly. I'm just saying it's something that can happen. Can ADA and XRP hit $50 in 2025 combined? Let's see if they break $10 first. How about that? Could it? Sure. Yeah. Will it?
Definitely could. That would be a heck of a jump, right?
Yeah. I mean, we called ADA at under $1, but so it's not that much of a jump, but it's a jump. We called Solana on this channel. We called it, man, a couple of dollars. It could, but I would not. If you're gonna hold to 2025, prices are not gonna go straight up. They're gonna go like this. So if you want to do a long-term hold like that, I would mostly be in Bitcoin. That's just me, because a lot of people don't understand one concept. People don't understand why Bitcoin is king. Let me prove to you why Bitcoin is king, and let me prove to you why crap coins like, or even crap coins like SafeMoon or even other coins are not. Okay, and it's not a dig on SafeMoon. I'm not attacking SafeMoon here. I'm just using the extreme, stupidest token I can think of, and compare it to Bitcoin. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, now listen to this, right? If you were to sell your house, and whatever you can't accept cash, you can only accept crypto, and you have to hold that crypto. And let's just say you have no more money, right? It's your livelihood. Would you accept Bitcoin, or would you accept SafeMoon? Let me say that again. If you were to sell your house and you have to accept Bitcoin or SafeMoon and keep it for a year or two, would you accept Bitcoin or SafeMoon? Would you accept Bitcoin or any other token? Chances are, if you're smart, you would say Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin, you can even use it as Bitcoin to buy and sell other things. Bitcoin is the safest, most proven blockchain out there, well, cryptocurrency out there, 13 years now. And Bitcoin, chances are, even if it falls, it will fall less than anything else. Even if you think the other one's going to go up, guess what? Bitcoin is your safest bet. So Bitcoin is king. Very simple. I don't understand why people don't think of this. Oh, but Ethereum, yes, but Bitcoin is king.
It's good analogy.
It's a spendable store of value, and I've coined that phrase. I don't understand why no one ever uses that phrase. I'm the first person to use it as much as I know. People call it a store of value. No, it's a spendable store of value. Why? Oh, you can't go buy gum with it. No, who the hell would want to go buy gum with it? But you can buy a house with it, a yacht with it, a car with it, and so on. I got some land up in Kineta in Greece, beautiful by the way, it's a true story. I would accept Bitcoin for it. Right now, right this second. I would accept Bitcoin for that land. All right? So I would prefer Bitcoin for it, to be quite honest with you, but that's a different story. Now, is this the start of a bear market, says Escanor? Potentially. If we break under 30K, we don't close above it, it's a proven bear market. Right now, we don't know just yet. We have to see what happens on the weekly as well, if we're going to go back up and so on. It depends on how fast we bounce. Remember when I said when we break 40K, it depends how fast we bounce back up over 40K again? Or is it going to be a dead cat bounce and go down? That's what it depends on. I made a video about that on my channel. You can check it out as well. When do you think Bitcoin will hit a new to all-time high? Derek, when do you think Bitcoin will hit a new all-time high? That's actually a good question. It's a fun question.
Q3 of this year, if we have the regulations and policies come out before the end of the first quarter.
And then it will go on to an expanded cycle, Bitcoin expanded cycle. As you know, that's very possible. And sure,
if the policy comes out before the end of the first quarter.
Okay. We have 72 viewers, 46 likes. We need 50 to give away the $400 right here, right now, to somebody from the chat. We need 50 likes to give away $400 and something in units, and then we're going to give away another $400 and something in units soon after that. So like this video, and if you're getting value so far from this video, please subscribe down below, hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video, and check out United Coin, unitedcoin.org. That's where Derek is the CEO of unitedcoin.org. It's an amazing project. I'm an advisor there. We've been working together for years. We love each other. We went out. We went to strip clubs. Just kidding.
We did not do that.
We did not do that. I went to strip clubs.
I stayed home and slept.
Derek works a lot and studies and does stuff like that. No one went. I don't think nobody went to strip clubs. I mean, now with the pandemic, I don't think no many people. Some people go, I guess.
Hey man, you know, of all the professions, I am sure they are doing quite fine.
Hey man, it's an art. Just because she's dancing loco does not make her a hono.
Hey, no, not at all. Not at all.
Bite says my portfolio is down about 60%. We just had a member join. We have a new member, man. That's awesome. Let me welcome someone. David Ibrahimi just became a supporter. Thanks, man. Really appreciate it. And we have 66 likes. 66 likes and a new member. That is also thank you. I really appreciate you. Let's give away some units. Now, here's how this works.
Let's go.
We are going to give a riddle. And the first person to answer it in the chat will win 500 units. How do you get your units? You will give me your WhatsApp phone number, your phone number basically, if you're in the States or Canada, right? Or anywhere in the world. If you have WhatsApp anywhere in the world, you will give it to me. I'll tell you how you're going to give it to me. And we will send you live 500 units to your phone. Derek's going to do that. All right? How are you going to give us your phone number? It's very simple. You're going to give us your phone number followed with F-U-C-K. Yes, the word fuck. You're going to give us your phone number followed by F-U-C-K. Why? Because when you write F-U-C-K, your message will be hidden, but I will see it to approve it. I will not approve it, but I will get your phone number, send it to Derek, and he will send you 500 units. Does that make sense?
It should, because it's worked before.
Yeah. Does everyone get it though? Because if you do not get it, then you probably don't understand a wallet and how it works. So it's bad news for you. So make sure you get it. Okay. Are we ready?
We're ready.
You're giving the riddle. Why am I getting ready to? I don't even know what the riddle is. What's the riddle?
Oh, okay. It's a new one.
Okay. Hopefully, because everyone will know the answer to the previous one.
This is true. Okay. What can go up a chimney down, but can't go down a chimney up?
Oh my God, I got this straight away. I'm not going to say it, though.
What can go up a chimney down, but can't go down a chimney up?
Ranyit says Santa Claus.
No.
Okay, so smoke.
Yes. No.
David Ibrahim just wrote a swear word just to test. Umbrella.
That's right.
It's umbrella?
Yes.
Mahmoud Takieddin, I probably worded your name. Congratulations! You have won 500 units!
Let's go.
Let's go! 500 units! Mahmoud, all you have to do is write...
That's great, man.
Give me your mobile phone number or WhatsApp number, basically, followed by a swear word. F-U-C-K, so that we can see your phone number so we can send it to you.
That is great, man.
Congratulations, and don't worry, we're gonna give out more. We're gonna give out more.
Congratulations.
Harry Mel says they said it before him. Let me check. Harry ML says umbrella. I don't see smoke. Oh! Stephen S. Wait. I do see people saying smoke before.
It was umbrella. It wasn't smoke.
It was umbrella. Oh, it was umbrella. Wait. Okay, it was umbrella. Who did umbrella first? Wait. Let me check this out. Wait.
We're gonna have to check the tape.
Huh?
We're gonna have to check the tape.
It's the chat. The chat's right here. Don't worry. No, it's my hood, man. Here, look. I'll do this. Here. Look, I know this is going to look weird. But look, right here. Right. This is where everyone's ready. Right, let's go. Smoke, graph, Santa Claus, blah, blah, blah. Santa, smoke. Smoke. Umbrella. Mahmoud Takieddin. He was the first. Followed by DTJ Bellerby. I don't see anyone else saying umbrella before, man.
Okay.
So, Mahmoud, write me your phone number followed by a swear word. Let's see if he's done it so we can get it. Where is Mahmoud? Great. There it is. We got it. Okay.
You got that.
Is that Mahmoud? Awesome. Is your phone number? I need your international code with that, man. Just write me your international code separately. Like, so I can see it, it's fine. But let me send this to Derek real quick. Let me take a picture of it and send it to you, man.
Yes, sir. Man, Mahmoud with the umbrella move. I love it, man. That was good. That was good. That was fast.
Okay, I don't know. That's my international code. How do I get it? You don't know what? I don't know what's my international code. Where are you from, man? Your WhatsApp number. Is it a WhatsApp number, Mahmoud? Is it country code? Yeah. That's okay, Harry. No problem, man. It's sometimes it lags on the chat. That's why you saw it. And everyone was saying umbrella before the riddle. +1. Okay, so it's +1. Mahmoud, it's +1 plus the number I sent you, man. Now, Mahmoud, we're gonna send you $5 $10 first, 5 units first. Yeah, no, $10 first. And as soon as you get it, reply that you got it so we can confirm, and then we'll send you another 500 units. And keep those likes coming so we can give away another 500 units. We have 70 likes. Let's see if we can get up to 100 likes. And once we get up to 100 likes, we can do another giveaway. Did you send it, Derek, yet? Or... So we're waiting for Mahmoud to receive his first $10 so we can confirm, so we can send the rest of it. There is so many questions now in the chat. Guys, if I miss your chat, start asking your question again once only so I can come back down. Otherwise, I can't go back up. It's ridiculous. Did you send it yet, Derek? I can't hear you, man. You're muted. Yeah.
I did.
Okay. Mahmoud, did you get your $10? Did you get something in your phone? We need your confirmation so we can send you the rest. Yes, I have received it. Okay. So.
Excellent.
Send him another 500. 500 units.
Yes.
Awesome. Well done. Congratulations. Also, send him some videos so he knows how to use the wallet. Your wallet is your phone. That's the amazing thing with units. It's on the Stellar blockchain, and it's simply amazing. So now you get another 500. We have 75 likes. Let's get them up to 100 so we can do another giveaway. And let's see a question. Meanwhile, what price would Ethereum be in a bear market? Is it worth selling now and buying back later? Yes, sir. If that would assume that you sell now and you buy down later, but that assumes that we're in a bear market and it goes down low, right? And how low will it go? Is it a bear market or is this just a bear trend? I'll say this: from its all-time highs, Ethereum more than likely will go down 85 to 95%. Oh, wait, sorry. 90 to 95%. Right? Bitcoin will be down 80 to 85%, possibly a little bit more around those. Basically, Bitcoin goes down less, altcoins go down more. Now, with Ethereum 2.0 coming out, that might be a little bit different this time around. But that's the general rule up to now. And until I see something different, until I see proof that something's going to change, which we can't because it hasn't happened yet, that's the rules I'm going to go by.
You have to. You have to. Ethereum, right now they're still $1,000 above what the price they were a year ago. So I mean, you're still technically up if you bought in then.
Yep. Bobby Crypto Granny says, from a crypto granny in Prague, can I... Puerto Rico. Can I please interview you, Paul? I am praying. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Reach out to me, paul@cryptofactor.net. Don't care how big your channel is. It could be 5 people. It could be 100 people. It could be 1,000 people. The fact that you asked, I'm feeling like I would like to do that interview. For God to heal you. Oh, wait. Is this a pray interview? You can pray for me. I pray all the time, but I'm not going to jump on a pray. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do that. But you know, it might get weird. I pray, you pray. That's fine. That's great. I appreciate it. But I don't do pray interviews. I don't know what a pray interview is. That's why. What's a pray interview?
I'm not sure.
You want us to interview God or? Harry ML says, this is a good one for you, Derek. I want to
Okay.
convince my organization to invest in crypto. Why do so few companies and organizations invest in crypto? Are there few? I mean, they're going up every year. What do you think, Derek?
Um, so first of all, I would say there's so few because we're still in the very early stages of cryptocurrency, period, right? Not many people understand it in general. And so that's why you'll see a lot of organizations that stay away from it. Now, we've dealt with that also, with United Coin introducing cryptocurrencies to some organizations and they didn't want to hold it. And one way that we get over a lot of those issues is the two. Let me go around this way. The two holdups we see are this: one, oh, what if my money gets stolen? What if my money gets hacked? Right? And so, there are a lot of places where you can keep your cryptocurrency and it can be insured. United Coin is one of them, right? The second, you'll see a lot of times they'll say, oh, the volatility of the market. We don't want to hold an asset that can go down $30,000, in a month, right? And so then the same thing with that is that, well, you also have the opportunity for it to go up $30,000 with Bitcoin. The other side of that also is you also are able to reduce some of the costs associated with transactions that you might have with other forms of currency, right? And then the other part is that if you're using cryptocurrency as an organization, and this is a third point that's a little bit different than the other 2 points that I brought up earlier, why? Why are you holding cryptocurrency? Is it specifically just because you want to make money on it? Is it because there's a utility for you? Then maybe there's a specific form of cryptocurrency that is probably better for you than Bitcoin, depending on your utilities. But then you have to answer that question, and then that can put you in a position where you can say, okay, these are the type of cryptocurrencies that answer those questions for us and actually can fit our criteria. And now we can look into those and maybe dip our toe in a little bit at a time.
Awesome, awesome answer. Great. We have 97 likes, almost 100 likes, almost for time for another. I don't think we've ever had so many likes on the live stream before, like in so fast. 733 playbacks. Woo, 744 playbacks. Not bad. Not bad at all. I love it. If it's your first time here, welcome to the Crypto Factor. My name is Paul. This is Derek, and we do this weekly show every week. No bullshit, no crap like that. We just answer your questions. We give away free units. It's fun. We like doing it. And we do, on this channel, we do short videos every day that last 60 seconds to get straight to the point so we don't waste your time. We do interviews with some of the most successful people and pioneers in crypto so you can emulate their success, so you can learn from them. And we're both very good looking, so please subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video. And we have 100 likes, so we're gonna do another 500 units giveaway right after this question by Byte. Quick question, Paul. If long-term hodling, is it okay to hold in exchanges or move it to a ledger? Thank you. Okay, that depends on a few things. Number one is how much money, all right? Because if it's a small amount, depending on what a small amount is for you, for me it might be different than what it is for you, right? You can keep it on an exchange without worrying. Now, the thing about crypto is not your keys, not your crypto, put it in your wallet. Yes, that is the correct way to do it. That is correct. But if you are new, having a crypto wallet is also dangerous. Many times, keeping it on an exchange is actually safer than keeping it in your crypto wallet, right? So nowadays, it's not like the Mt. Gox days. Most reputable exchanges are insured, are safe, and you won't have a problem. Many times safer than what you would be holding them. Now, can something happen? Can something go wrong? Sure. But it can go wrong holding it as well. So here's what I do personally. I have a couple of hard wallets. I have a hot wallet, an online wallet, Exodus.io. I use Ledger S and Exodus.io. Ledger S is my long-term position, my hodling position. Try not to touch that. My Exodus is my medium to long-term position. I go in and out of that. Then I have different accounts. Of course, I got MetaMask. I use MetaMask for DeFi and so on. And then I have money in a few exchanges. I'll have $10,000 in one exchange, $10,000 another, goes up 20 down, that depends. And that's for trading. or swing trading, not day trading. Yes, um, that's what I do. Now, yes, it's good to have it in a ledger, but it all depends on you, how savvy you are with crypto, how long you're planning to hold for, if you're gonna get in and out of that position. It's not just one answer. Does that make sense, Derek? Do you want to add anything to that?
Yeah, I'm kind of the same, but for me, a lot of my hodl positions I actually have in some staking,
Yeah.
usually, or I'll have it in some form of some way that I can earn on it. You can't really do that too much with cold storage on
Yeah.
ledgers, right? So that's not always the great. They may create a way that that can be done in the future, and they might actually have some options, but I don't. I like to have the insurance personally. Um, the reason I like insurance is because I've seen what happens when you don't have, right? I've probably lost more crypto than most people have bought, right? And so, and because I've been in it for a while, and I just want to let people know that, like, from the very beginning, the most important thing is to make sure that you're doing something that you're comfortable with, right? You got to start with where you're comfortable. And if that can be insured on an exchange and you know how to do that, start with that, right? And then move into having a ledger and doing things and learning that and learning slowly. Don't necessarily just jump into the boat and then go out there and get your feet wet immediately. Just get your toe wet first.
Get your toe wet. Okay.
Just get your toe wet.
Elon, one more real quick, okay? Elon Shah says Elon Musk said Dogecoin is better than Bitcoin and fundamentally strong. Question mark. Okay, let me answer that. If you were to get paid in crypto from now on for the next 5 years, would you accept Bitcoin or Dogecoin? It's a serious question. Forget my house analogy. Obviously, that didn't click. If you were to get paid from now on in Bitcoin or Dogecoin, which one would you accept? Which one can you use to live kind of over the other? Which one would you have more security? I'm pretty sure you can answer your own question on that, right? All right, let's do a giveaway, man. We've got over 100 likes. I can't believe it. That's
all right,
awesome.
okay, let's do it.
Riddle
Let's
me
do
up.
it. Let's do it.
Riddle
Let's
me
do
up.
it. Okay, so we have another riddle. We have another riddle. We have another riddle.
Get ready. 500 units giveaway. 500 units. No joke. 500.
This one is going to be. I think this is a difficult one, but everyone might laugh at me because they think it's not. But what has a lot of eyes but cannot see?
What has a lot of eyes and cannot see? First
What
person to answer will win
eyes
500
and
units.
cannot see?
What is units? Units is a cryptocurrency. An awesome one, which you will get right now on this live stream. If you answer, we'll send it to your phone. I think someone got it. I think someone got it. Bobby Crypto Granny says Mississippi.
No, but that was a good answer. That's not it, but that was a good answer.
That was a good answer, but it was Mississippi.
That's a good
All right,
answer.
let me read out some of these questions here. Let me read out some of these answers. Sorry, because I forgot to read them out. DB says, how long camera. Harry and Mel says potato.
Potato.
Is it potato?
Yeah.
Harry and Mel, potato. He spelled it wrong, doesn't count. Just kidding. Potato.
That's a good joke, Paul. That's a
Yeah,
good
Harry was the one that thought he got it the one before, so I'm actually happy he got it now. So now it's fair. He gets 500 units.
Good job, Harry. Good job.
Harry, you know the drill. Send me your phone number, your WhatsApp number, followed with a swear word, FUCK, so nobody else can see it except you. Write in the chat your WhatsApp.
That's great.
And congratulations, man.
Congratulations, man. That's
Harry,
great.
your WhatsApp number in the chat followed by a swear word, FUCK, so no one will see it except me. I will send it to Derek, and he will send you your units.
Man, that was great.
Yeah, that was fun. I think we should do, next week, we should do more, man. Sent in the chat. That was a tough one. I'm not seeing it.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not seeing it. Where is it? Message. Harry, I'm not seeing it. No, I didn't get it. Oh, it didn't work this time. I guess swear words don't work all the time. I guess. Send in the chat, but I didn't see it. Let me go up. No, I'm not seeing it. Huh? Interesting. Harry, I'm not seeing it. What can we do? What can we do? Do you have Harry? How are we gonna do this? All right, Harry, send me an email. Send again. No, I'm not seeing it. Send me an email at paul@cryptofactor.net right now. Paul@cryptofactor.net. Let me write it down for you. Followed by a number, 3 numbers, and then I'll confirm it that it's you. So it's paul@cryptofactor.net. I'd like to also have Derek on my YouTube channel, please, to pray. What, Bobby Crypto Granny, what kind of interview? To pray or interviewed about crypto? What kind of interview? Because I got really confused. I don't know why you're excited, because I didn't answer because I'm not sure what you want yet. Okay, Bob, he wants educate people. I only have 210 subs, but if I can change one person's life in crypto, okay, yeah, you can interview me in crypto on your channel for 210 subs. It's good. I'll even shout you out and I'll try and get you some people there. Harry, did you send me an email yet? Let me see if I got that email. Because I want to do this. I want to send it to you live. Sent. Okay. Let's see. Crypto Granny, I see your request for an interview. Yeah, we'll take care of it. And Derek, she also wants you. I don't know if you want to get on that.
Let's do it.
Awesome. So Derek's email is
my email djones@unitedcoin.org.
I'm waiting for Harry's email.
Jones is spelled Jones.
Not getting his email. Great. But wait, maybe it's my server. Okay, I'll Derek, do you want to answer some of these questions while I check this email real quick? Can you see the chat? Can you open up the? Oh, you could have opened up a YouTube tab and like look at the chat if you put it on silent. By the way.
Oh, okay. Let's see what
it just helps. Don't keep on sending, Harry. It'll come through. It's my server. Don't worry. I'm gonna fix it right now. It happens sometimes. I get things late because I have a POP3 thing and connects and all that crap. Check mail now. Boom. Checking mail.
Oh, let's see. We have the chat here.
Yep, Harry, I got it right now. All right, Harry, can you tell me the Can you write down the number you sent in the email, please? See, that's a good way to verify. See, I'm getting smarter every time now. So the number you wrote, write it down in the chat.
All right. Am I frozen?
No, you're not frozen. I'm here.
Oh, okay. All right. So.
Okay, so I just verified Harry. Okay, but I need your phone number, man. You just like wrote a number, but you didn't write me your phone number. You did the 3 digits, but you didn't write me your phone number. I can't send it to you. Like, do you want to send it to his email? You get it over with? Can you send units to his email or just WhatsApp?
I could send them to his email. I could do that.
What's better?
Wait a minute. To send it to his email, he'd have to sign up on unitedcore.org first.
Oh, he did send me the number. Wait, give me a second. Why can't I see the number? Wait. No, I see DJ. I see an email, and I see the number. I don't see your WhatsApp number, Harry. I just see the 667, but I don't see your WhatsApp number. I kind of need your WhatsApp number. So send me your WhatsApp number to the email address. All right. Until then, let's see if we can answer anything else, man. Crypto Granny will be on your show. Harry, I see 2 emails, but I don't see your phone number in the email. I need your phone number, your WhatsApp number. Send it again. I need your WhatsApp number with your country code. People are just waiting around, like, okay, this is getting. Pulls on that. Derek decided not to answer any questions. He just opened the chat.
Okay, let's see what we got. All right. Create time, help few. Tell the coin like Solana and Axie Infinity 12,000% return in 1 year. Is that a question?
Yeah, you have to decipher some of them, man.
Oh, okay.
Some of them are cryptographic because it's a crypto channel. You have to, they're in riddle. I'm serious. Sometimes, like the way I read them, sometimes I read what I understand.
How long do you think the bear market will last?
About a year.
Yeah, if we actually have a full-fledged bear market, probably a year. I'm missing the glass of wine, Paul. I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I don't drink wine anymore. I'm not sure if that's what he meant or if it's all right, I have his number.
Okay, go ahead and send that to me.
Well, wait, let me verify that was him. No, wait, because now I have like 4 different numbers. I think somebody tried to steal his money. This is why I wanted to verify it, man. Come on, dude. Really? That's hilarious. All right, wait. Wait, let me find the... Oh, man. Come on. Why are you doing... Now I have to go through all my... Can you... I got like 4 emails, like different email addresses giving me a number. Giving me a phone number. And they're all different. All the phone numbers are different. This is ridiculous. All right. So let's find where the real Harry is here. All right, you answer questions while I look at while I look for this man, because people are just sitting there like, what the hell are these guys doing?
All right, let's see what we got. Waffle in English. I got it. Pineapple. What are your thoughts on ENS? It's so cheap unless BTC drops to 31.5K. ENS, that Ethereum name service? Is that what they're referring to?
I got. All right, I got the right one. That was hilarious. So many people, man, like really try to steal somebody's money because you. Like, I can answer the riddle. I deserve that. Okay. So Derek's gonna send you $10, Harry, and then as soon as you get it, please confirm so we can send you the other 500 units. That's hilarious, man. I like 8 different phone numbers.
All right, you send me the number. Okay, here we go.
There you go. Hit that like button, man. Hit that like button for
That is
Harry.
hilarious.
For Harry and all the other Harrys. With the real Harry, please stand up.
For real, right?
Oh, man, that was hilarious. That was hilarious, dude. That was hilarious.
That was quick for somebody to make another profile.
That was quick. Well, we didn't have the same profile picture and stuff like that, but they did it real quick, and the number was completely different.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Oh, man, that was hilarious. Needle should get a second place. So sick. We'll see what happens next week.
Get second place.
Do you guys think so? Somebody mentioned Derek should be on my live stream every Sunday. Do you guys? Does everyone agree? Click 1 if you want Derek on my live stream every Sunday. Click 2 if you would like him every Wednesday. Click 3 if you don't want to ever see him again ever.
Come on.
So 1 is every Sunday Derek will be on his live stream. 2 is every Wednesday we'll do a separate live stream. 3 is I don't want to see this guy. What the fuck? Paul, come back. Do your live stream. Come on, man. We go 1, 3. Someone doesn't like you that much.
He doesn't like me at all.
We got 3 1s. So far, 3 1s. There's a 2. There's a 1 and a 2 by the same person because I don't know. He's probably shorting and selling by the same. He's once buying and selling at the same time. I'm seeing some 2s. So far, it's a tie. 500 giveaways, then yes. I like Derek being here. Harry hasn't received it yet, man. Did you send it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he should receive it. 1.
It says it came through. It'll be either it should be your WhatsApp. It says it went through.
5, 6, 7. I'm seeing 7 1s, 4 2s. Okay, he got it. He got the 10.
He got it.
So well done. Congratulations. Another 500 units
Let's
are
go.
on their way. And also an instructional video and everything too. How to use it and stuff like that. Awesome stuff. We're seeing a lot of 1s, man. A couple of 4s and a 5 as well. We're seeing a lot of 1s. So yeah, Derek, if you want to be here every week, every Sunday, man, you're welcome, dude.
That is awesome. I appreciate it, guys. Really,
Now,
really do.
just
The 4s
to
and the
be
5s,
clear-
I really wonder what they mean.
Just to be clear, if I am not at the home office or if I am in a location where I do not have access to my laptop, this doesn't really happen a lot except in the summer. But if that happens, I will have to stream from my iPhone. If I have to stream from my iPhone, I don't know if I can have Derek and be able to see the chat anyway. I just do a live stream, just talk, and that's it. But that's very rare. But Sunday, man, hey Derek, yeah, Sundays, bro, let's do it. Sunday is 7 o'clock EEST time.
EEST.
Well, the
Let's
same
do it.
time as this time.
Yeah.
Or
Every time I'm available, I'll be here.
No. You have to
I'm
commit.
traveling.
You have to
Do I
commit.
have to commit?
You have to commit.
I have to commit?
Yes. Yes.
I should ask my wife first.
Your wife doesn't have a problem. I know your wife. She likes me. She thinks I'm a cool guy. So
She does. She says hi, by the way.
hi. Is she still into sports?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
She's in a team, right? She's in sports. She's an athlete.
Yes, she is. She is. She plays soccer internationally.
There you
She's
go.
awesome.
I didn't know if
She's.
you wanted me to say it on, you know.
It's not. It's not. You already brought it up. It's cool. It's not a secret. But yeah, she's awesome. She's much better at soccer than I am, but I am better than at basketball than she is.
Okay, cool. But then again, she plays soccer internationally. You do not play basketball internationally.
I do not.
There you go.
I do not.
There you go. I'm seeing a question here. I'm gonna show this question. It was hidden because he swore, but Mahmoud says, "Guys, how do you accept these units? I'm so fucking confused." We sent it to your phone. This is a tech. Explain the tech behind. Did you send the other units? I only got 10. They're on their way, Harry. Explain the tech behind the units real quick.
Oh wait a minute. Let me.
But before you do that, Shah is asking me if I'm married. Are you proposing? Shah is proposing to me. Shah, you better be a girl. That's all I gotta say.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I'm not married. I'm not married.
Very real quick. I didn't send the other 500. Let me make sure I finish doing that. All right, I'm done. Harry, 500 coming.
Oh, you forgot.
Okay.
You forgot. Okay, so 500 is just sitting right now. You should get it.
Yeah, I did his account, but I forgot to send the 500. I just did. Harry, let us know. Oh, I'm so happy and grateful. Got him.
I got the other 490 units.
And actually, it says 500, but I do understand why you said 490.
Why does it say 490?
Because he thinks he got a total of 500, but if he checks his balances, he'll actually have 510.
There you go. You'll have 510. All right. Awesome. Shah says no, Paul. He's not proposing. Okay. All right. Thanks, everyone. Thank you for another show. Thank you for another Sunday. I do have to cut this a little bit short. I love you all. We had a great time. Derek, do you love them? Did you have a great time?
Yeah, I love everybody, man.
There you go.
This is an amazing time. I really appreciate all of the love from you guys, too.
Awesome.
That was awesome.
Hit that like button, subscribe down below so you don't miss the next video, and do not miss the next video next week with Derek, because we're giving away, or he's giving away, another 1,000 units. All right, awesome. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Blessings. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.